Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change control settings in Neverness to Everness. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, press escape or open menu from top right hand corner, then select the gear icon. Right here, if you get into the third option, you'll able to see all the control settings. Like you'll able to change things like screen shake, you'll basically able to enable or disable character status display, monster status display and stuff like that. If you want to change controls, just get into the fourth option, and here you will able to change controls. Like you can change the key for all these available options like redirect skill, ultimate or arc skill, aim. Some of the keys are locked, but as you can see, some of them are easy to change. Like if I want to change the key for redirect skill, I need to select that and able to change it to anything I want. And that's basically how you'll able to change control settings inside Neverness to Everness. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.